What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money without a 9-to-5 job. So stay tuned. But before I get into the content, if you are not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because I'm coming out with consistent content teaching you how to create the life that you want. Talking about passive income, talking about making money online, giving product reviews from JVZoo and ClickBank, as well as showing you the latest and greatest tactics and strategies to help you in your online business. All right. So go ahead, subscribe right now and hit the notification bell. All right. And while you're here, this whole video was about how to make money if you do not have a 9-to-5 job. Right. And I'm going to be reviewing a program that you can check out. It'll be the first link in the description at any time in this video. You can check it out and show you how to get started making money today, and you don't have to have a 9-to-5 job. Okay. So let's get into the content. You don't have a 9-to-5 job. You're looking for something that can be a full-time income, or if you're getting federal benefits, something that supplements that, right? Well, you've come to the right place. Affiliate marketing would be your best bet, your best chance to making any kind of money online and having an unlimited amount of money online. Okay. So with affiliate marketing, basically what you do is you have an audience that has a need or a problem, and then you have a product that fixes that need or problem that someone else created, not you. And you are the middleman between that audience and that product. Okay. The audience with a problem and the person who has a product, and you promote that product to the audience and get a commission when that audience buys that product. Okay. So that's what affiliate marketing is. And so I'm going to show you a program where you can get started today. It's a done for you system. All you have to do is integrate the systems and you're good as golden and can start making money as soon as today. Okay. So the program is called Funnel X ROI. So here's my YouTube channel. Go ahead, guys, and subscribe to my channel because I'm, like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm coming up with daily content teaching you how to create the life that you want, right? But Funnel X ROI. So Funnel X ROI is a affiliate marketing system that has multiple streams of income. If you look at the average millionaire, even billionaire, all of them have at least on average 4 streams of income. 4 different streams of income just running on autopilot, right? On autopilot. I can't talk today. And that's what you want to do. You want to create systems that have multiple streams of income that run and make you money while you sleep. And Funnel X ROI has just that. Look, it's free to join. It's free to sign up. All you have to do is check the link out in the description, okay? But with Funnel X ROI, they have 4 streams of income, right? 4 different systems all built in one that can all be paying you as soon as today, as long as you implement the strategies in the system. The first program or software that they have where you can make affiliate commissions is Easy One Up. Okay, Easy One Up is a platform that teaches you how to grow yourself and promote your brand online, have a social media presence, how to establish yourself online, right? Then you have GetResponse. GetResponse is an autoresponder. And basically what you're doing is you are promoting these products to an audience that has a need for them and making a commission off of that. So if someone needs a product on how to establish their presence online, or how to start their social media business, or establish a social media brand, Easy One Up is a great product that would teach them that. And what you do is you refer them to that program, and bam, then you get a commission. GetResponse. If someone needs an autoresponder, they have a big email list and need to email, or they want to build an email list and want to later on email market them the whole list, GetResponse can solve that problem, right? And what you will do is you will refer this person to GetResponse and you make a commission, right? And the configure ROI panel is all about tracking your links, right? So you can know what traffic works best for your offer. And then once you find that out, you can scale that offer up with that particular traffic, right? So if someone has a problem with tracking their links and tracking the source of their traffic, you can give them, you can recommend ROI panel, right? And then you have a free pay-per-lead system where if you were to refer someone to the Funnel X ROI and they sign up, you get a free commission, right? The person doesn't even have to buy this program or pay to be in this program, you just automatically get a commission from them signing up with your link, right? So this is a great system to get into. Check it out in the link in the description. So if you don't have a 9-to-5 job, you want to go ahead and check this out. You want to be doing things, taking consistent action on a daily basis in order to be successful with an online business and being an online entrepreneur, okay? Because the time's going to be hard, it's going to be rough, but as long as you're taking action and being consistent with it, eventually you will reap the benefits and reap the rewards, okay? So go ahead, check out the link in the description that will teach you step by step how to go ahead and configure all of these 4 income streams and what you need to do after you configure them to get traffic and start making sales and making money and having the income of a 9-to-5 job while you're sleeping and doing whatever you want to do. That's the name of the game in passive income, and that's what you want to create, okay? And that's what this system will do for you. So go ahead and check the link out in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to continue to hear consistent content like this one. Subscribe and hit the notification bell, guys, okay? I'm telling you, I'm going to come out with even better content, so you don't want to miss it, all right? Thanks for watching this video. I will see you guys on another day. Peace.